I wanted to know if it was possible to turn my iPhone 13 mini into a webcam for my computer setup because I don't have a webcam, and so I want to see if it was possible, if there was an application out there to turn my iPhone 13 mini into a webcam. So I did what everybody else does, and of course I went on Google and I searched for applications that maybe help turn your iPhone into a webcam. And the search was very quickly ended because I found the perfect app for it. So the app is called Epoch Cam. So Epoch Cam is a free application that you can go and download in the App Store, and it's made by a company called Elgato. I think you probably already know this company. They are a famous, popular company with streamers who stream on Twitch, on YouTube, and they use a ton of their hardware and software when it comes to streaming. And they made an app to turn your iPhone into a webcam for your setup. So, like I said, this app is free to download, but there are some limitations when it comes to the free application compared to the paid version of the app. So in the free app, you are allowed to connect the app, your iPhone, to the computer setup and make it turn into a webcam, and it's easy. You could turn it either you could connect it with your lightning connector, or you could connect it by over Wi-Fi and wirelessly, so if you don't want to have wires going all over your computer. So that's what I really enjoy about this application, is how simple and easy it is to connect to your iPhone into your computer and make it into a webcam. But like I said, there are some limitations when it comes to the free version of this app. So in the free version of this app, of course, you could connect it wirelessly and you have a perfectly running webcam using just your iPhone on your computer. But you cannot use some cool filters, and you cannot use the mic of the iPhone on the free version. Now, the paid version is about $8 Canadian, so it's a fairly cheap app to buy compared to other apps out there, and you get a ton of features in the paid version. In the paid version, you get to use filters. So if you have Snapchat installed on your iPhone, you could have filters have like maybe a blurry background or just funny filters on your face. Another awesome feature, of course, is the mic. So that means you can have it connected, the mic of the iPhone, so that people can hear you when you are streaming or when you are on Skype or something. And so that's what I really enjoy about this application, is just how simple and easy it is to use, even if you're just using the free version or the paid version of the application. Now, what I also really liked about this application is the integration. So the app integrates with hundreds and hundreds of apps out there. So if you use Skype, Microsoft Teams, if you use Zoom, or any other software that you need to use a webcam with, then it will automatically work. You just have to open the app on your iPhone and connect it wirelessly or connect it with your lightning connector, and boom, you have a webcam with your iPhone. So it's just a really exciting app to have, and now that I know that I can do this, I've been using it a ton when it comes to work. So I just connect my iPhone, the webcam on, have my mic installed, and then boom, I have my webcam set up with my iPhone. Now, you can actually take it a step further if you have, of course, other Elgato products with you. So if you don't have other Elgato products, then you might not want to watch this part of the video. But pretty much is that you can actually switch over webcams. So depending on the software that you are using to record maybe a Twitch or YouTube video, and if you have the right software and hardware for it, you can actually switch in between cameras. So you can have maybe one camera set up, of course, for your main live stream cam, and then you can have the iPhone connected, of course, with your wirelessly or connected to the computer, and you can switch to cameras when you are live streaming. So maybe you want to show the viewers a different point of the video or something else that you don't want to hold up, but maybe you want to just lay it on the table. Then you can have the iPhone, of course, overhead, just right there, ready to live stream whenever you have, of course, the right software and hardware. So so at the end of the day, the Apple Cam is a lifesaver if you don't have a webcam on your computer setup like I did. But now that I have a webcam setup, just using my iPhone, that saves me time. I don't have to go out and buy an extra webcam out there. And it's just a really simple application to go and connect with. And so I'm very happy that there was a product out there and a product that works as well. And I did buy the paid version. It was like only like $7 Canadian, $8 Canadian. So I highly recommend just going for the paid version just because you get to use the mic also on the iPhone. But if you don't want to pay for it, you could get the free version and you'll just have a webcam ready for your computer if you already have an external mic for your setup. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you made it to at the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.